Get noticed in this 2004 BMW 5 Series. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Low emissions and the good fuel economy offered in this vehicle are important to you and to the environment. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Call today to schedule a test drive.